Hey Safr Drivers, it's Kelly here again with a tutorial on completing a scheduled ride. If you're online, you'll be notified whenever a ride schedules a ride in your area. Press the Scheduled Ride button to view its details. If you're offline, you can still open scheduled rides from the app menu to look for rides in the active section that suit your schedule. Press the Mark as Interested button under the ride that you wish to complete, and we will let the rider know that you're interested in their ride. The ride will be moved to the Interested section of your app. If the rider changes the time or location of the ride, you will be notified. You can then view the changes in the Updated section. If you no longer wish to complete the ride you have been interested in, press the Ignore button in the Interested section. The ride will then be moved back to the Active section for other drivers to view and for them to mark themselves as interested. If you're interested in a ride, we will send you a reminder about it less than an hour before its pickup time. You can hit the Scheduled Ride button to view the ride details again in the Interested section. Remember to go online if you aren't, so you don't miss out on the ride request. You will receive the ride request less than half an hour before the ride's scheduled time. This will give you enough time to navigate to the rider's pickup location after accepting the ride request, unless you choose to reject it. When you get the pickup location, colors will be randomly assigned to you and your rider. Tell the color to them, ask them for their color, and press Select Rider's Color. Tap on the rider's color. Hit Start. Navigate to the drop-off location. In case of emergency, you can use the SOS button. Press the End Ride button upon arrival at your destination. The app will show you the ride fare and your earning from it. Rate the rider and share your experience on Facebook. Drive on!